Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to this new video in which we're going to be talking about Onyxcoin again, which I did do a video on yesterday, I know, but since yesterday we had some we had some new updates which I wanted to talk about. There's two things in particular that I think are noteworthy enough to actually talk about, and that can also have an impact on the price. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. I think we'll start with the fundamentals and then we'll take a look at the technicals, right? Because technically, you can see something went down yesterday. We had some volatility, but also right now we're seeing somewhat of a pullback. So that's we'll talk about that for sure. And the volume is also I deleted the volume page, but the volume is also up nicely right now, which is well, an anomaly compared to the markets, and because the volume in the markets is down, and then the volume for XCN for Onyx is up. About 50%. So all very interesting. We'll talk about that later. First of all, fundamentally, what we had is mainly one thing, and that is the announcement of Onyx Goliath, the mainnet, coming the 3rd of March 2025. Now that's bullish. Of course, I already told you yesterday that in general, I think Onyx is one of the projects that at this point of time at least is delivering a lot of development and is delivering a lot of value. That's great, right? Onyx has an amazing community, has a big community, so keeping that community excited and keeping that community hyped for what's coming is crucial. Now, the 3rd of March actually creates some opportunities, because usually what you see with announcements like these is that you actually see some bullish momentum leading into the event, and then once the event is over, so once the mainnet has launched, usually you get some sort of a sell the news effect. Now, of course, there's coins that do something different, but overall, like if I give you my experience from looking at the markets every single day for the last 3.5 years, I'll tell you, usually that's how it goes. So I'm going to assume that's also how it goes with the mainnet launch. And that's also, by the way, how it went with some other announcements we've had in the past. But what that means is that I think fundamentally we can actually expect some more bullish momentum. Now we actually have something to look forward to. The community has something to look forward to. Market makers around XCN actually have something that they can justify providing some, you know, some more demand side liquidity. Let's keep it at that. So overall, this has made me more bullish. Now the thing is that technically we just need more confirmation, because technically so far the only thing that XCN has done basically since the 30th of January is short squeezes, all right, and just these liquidation spikes. And again, yesterday with the news, what happened is that we did get some bullish momentum and we got a lot of volume, but the volume we're getting is not leading us anywhere, all right? So in that sense, something has to change. And you can see right here as well, the short liquidations are definitely not as plenty anymore as they were, but people are still shorting XCN, which I personally, especially with the mainnet coming up, I would not do that. The risk reward is just not worth it, in my opinion. So if people keep shorting, or if people keep shorting, we'll keep having these moves, and it doesn't really lead to anything. Now, I would say technically we have found some sort of a consolidation range. There's a lot of liquidity here between 2 cents and 1.9 cents, and then the main resistance level is right here at 2.55 cents. Look, short term, the market has very low volume. XCN not specifically, but short term, I would expect some more bearish momentum, dropping down into the bottom of this range. However, I have changed my analysis slightly because of this news, and because of my expectation of more bullish momentum ahead of the mainnet launch. So not necessarily today or tomorrow, but just before that. I think first of all, we will be able to hold this range right here on top of 1.9. Liquidity zone down here is actually pretty good, right? So that we will be able to hold this range, and adding my expectation that the altcoin market looks quite good to actually get some sort of a bullish reversal here. I would say it also is most likely that eventually we will get some sort of a breakout. However, this breakout, I would not take a trade assuming that that's going to happen. All right, that breakout, we need more confirmation. All right, but short term, I expect this range to hold with this news and just in general the price action we've seen. And then from there, we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that. If I see early indications that we can actually get that breakout, I'll let you know. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.